Hey, here we go. Here's one coming in to Subway Truck Parts in Sacramento, California. We have this 01 Dodge. This is the 3/4 ton Dodge 2500 series. This thing's got 57,000 miles on this truck. Very clean truck, good parts truck. Has a V10 engine. This is a 4-wheel drive, automatic. Manual shift transfer case. We have the Spicer 60 front differential, 354 ratio, and the Spicer 70 in the rear. You can find these parts at Subway Truck Parts, Sacramento, California, or you can find them on the web at subwaytruckparts.com.
I got one that